The Jayco Jayfeather line of travel trailers offers great layouts and wonderful amenities. Let's take a look and see what the Jayfeather is all about. Before we start, however, it's good to know that at minimum, the Jayfeather requires a good-sized vehicle to tow it, since the lightest one hits the scales at 5,000 pounds or so, and they run up to about 37 feet in length. You'll also enjoy some great features like a 15,000 BTU AC, reflective roller shades, and easy-to-clean residential-style vinyl flooring. Most floor plans will also have theater seats with tray tables, or you can opt for a trifold sofa. Inside a Jayfeather, the kitchen offers plenty of storage, with nice cabinets having smoked glass decorative cabinet inserts in select overhead cabinets and pull-out drawers that are equipped with ball-bearing drawer guides. For your perishables that need to stay cool, there's a 6 cubic foot gas electric fridge with an 8 cubic foot option. You'll also love the residential style countertop with a large sink and high-rise faucet, plus a roll-out drying rack. For cooking, you get a 3-burner recessed cooktop with glass cover, along with a microwave and a residential oven. In the bathroom, not only will you have a toilet and shower with decent space, but you'll also find a useful skylight to bring in some natural light. For entertainment in the main living area, you'll find a 32 or 39-inch smart TV with an AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. To control your entire Jayfeather system, which includes lights, slides, and tank monitors, you can opt for the J-Command Smart RV system with a tire pressure monitoring system. Outside, you'll find the marine-grade speakers with blue LED accent lighting, as well as the exterior TV bracket with 120-volt electric and cable outlets found under the power awning with LED lights. Power also comes in the form of the convenient powered tongue jack, which makes it easy to hitch and unhitch. Every Jayfeather also comes with a battery disconnect as well as roof-mounted solar prep. If you so choose, you can also opt for the Overlander 1 solar package that includes a 200-watt solar panel and 30-watt digital controller, or upgrade that option to the Overland 2, which is 2 200-watt solar panels, an 1800-watt inverter, and the 30-amp digital controller. Now, if you want to cook outside, a lot of Jayfeather models have an outside kitchen, but all have the Quick Connect port with an outside griddle option. Another key feature any Jayfeather has is an on-demand tankless water heater and a huge 55-gallon freshwater tank. On the exterior, you'll also find an enclosed underbelly, outside shower, and the Jayco rock-solid stabilized system. You can also travel with peace of mind knowing that the Jayfeather is riding on Goodyear tires, and you'll get a spare tire too. Other great exterior features include black tank flush, backup and side marker camera prep, and slide topper prep. When it comes to construction, the Jayco Jayfeather is built to last. You get an American-made I-beam frame with a fully integrated A-frame. You'll also get a 2-inch vacuum-bonded floor with 2-pound foam insulation, and the walls are strong-hold vacuum-bonded with Asdel lamination inside and out. Up front is an aerodynamic rounded front profile with diamond plate, and the roof utilizes the Magnum Truss roof system that is topped with a seamless one-piece roof material. Jayfeather has a solid floor plan lineup. First up is the fabulous Bunkhouse, the 24BH. You'll get larger than average double-over-double bunks, a huge slide out with an equally impressive U dinette, and the kitchen has a ton of counter space, a walk-in pantry, and you get an outside kitchen too. The 24BH can sleep up to 8. The 27BHB is another bunk model capable of sleeping 8 and features stacked double beds, a massive slide out, and direct access from the bathroom to the exterior. You will also get an outside kitchen. For the camping couple, the Jayfeather has some great floor plans. The efficient 22RB is impressive with its large rear bath that has a pair of linen closets. There's a walk-in pantry in the living area along with a massive slide-out sporting the U dinette and fridge. The 22RB can sleep up to 4. The 24RL, capable of sleeping 4, has a well-designed living area complete with a slide-out, and there's a jackknife sofa commanding the rear wall. The bathroom is walk-through, and there's a beverage fridge outside. The 25 RB has a commanding rear bath with plenty of room for linens. There's a large slide out in the living area, plus a walk-in pantry, an impressive kitchen area, and an outside kitchen to boot. The 25 RB can sleep up to 4. Lightweight and well-built, Jayco by Jayco has it all. Find yours at rv.campingworld.com.